This is the VIVO Y35, and today we would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, make sure that your smartphone is connected to the Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store app, make sure to log into your account, then type in Opera at the search bar. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the Opera to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now we can just go ahead and launch it. And once you open the Opera for the first time, it is also required that you undergo a very simple setup procedure. Tap on the blue continue button, decide whether you would like to set Opera as your default browser app. And then, you can either customize the permissions and accesses that you're going to grant to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.